Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix TurboTax not working issues fast. Yeah, if the app isn't opening, loading, or just not responding properly, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to finish your taxes, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you go through a few basic steps. So first, close TurboTax completely and reopen it. It sounds very simple, but restarting the app or even your browser can fix a lot of temporary glitches and background issues that might be causing the problem. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. TurboTax relies on a strong connection to load everything, so if your Wi-Fi is slow, disconnecting, or unstable, that could easily be the reason it's not working. After that, if you're using TurboTax online, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser. Yeah, sometimes stored cookies or old data can interfere with how the website loads and functions. And yeah, also disable any VPN or browser extensions you might be using. These tools can sometimes block or slow down the connection without you even noticing, which can cause loading or access issues. Another important step is to make sure your TurboTax software and your system are fully updated. Updates fix bugs, improve performance, and ensure compatibility. So skipping them can lead to problems. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix TurboTax not working issues. In most cases, these steps should get everything running smoothly again without any extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.